Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a first time viewer, welcome to my channel. It's called For the Love of Running. It's a running channel all about showing you guys how much fun running can be. So try to inspire you guys to get out there and give running a crack. Today's video is another video in my parkrun series, and basically I'm just trying to give back to the parkrun community by basically highlighting some of the courses we have here in SA. And basically, so if people are new to a parkrun, they know what to expect the first time they sort of come down. And yeah, basically parkrun is all run by volunteers as well. Volunteers seem to like my videos, so it's my little way of giving back to the parkrun community. So please feel free to share these, and please yeah, like and subscribe to my channel as well. That would be amazing. So I'm out here at Lochiel Parkrun, which is just in town. It's probably my local parkrun now. Realistically, it follows the Torrens linear trail. It's straight out and back. The start borders on this golf course here. So there's a bridge over there. So we start there. So you can park in the golf course car park, or park. There's plenty of little parks around the area. You can park there, run across the bridge and start parkrun. But anyway, I'm gonna head over to the start. It's a bit wet, bit gloomy this morning, so hopefully the footage still looks alright, but I'll do my best for you guys. And yeah, thanks for checking back in on the channel. I'm off for a week, so I'll miss next week because I'm actually away for work in Roxby Downs, so I'll miss that. So I really want to get this video out now, duck under that tree. So yeah, anyway guys, I'm going to do a warm-up and I'll see you guys all at the start line. So just pause my warm-up a little bit, because one thing I do need to bring up is that today is January 22nd, or January 22. So pretty much a lot of people at parkrun are wearing tutus. As you can tell, I am not, but kudos to everyone who is, and maybe I should pick up a tutu just for a little extra pizzazz in my running.
I'm feeling high when I'm low. I need it more when you're close to me, close to me. I'm feeling high when I'm low. I need it more when you're close to me. Oh, yeah, yeah, to me. I'm feeling high when I'm low, 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 low. I'm feeling high when I'm low. I need it more when you're close to me, close to me.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
All young men with suits and ties, just sitting in the crowd smoking big cigars. I hope you're ready for what's coming now. this place. That'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this
Thank you. It's a good compliment to get though.
Just run the length of the stick.
Alright guys, so there you have it. That is what Lochiel Parkrun has to offer. Hope you enjoyed the footage. I'm just doing a bit of a cool down now, about to get the drone up to see if I can get some aerial shots before the rain comes back, because we're very lucky to, you know, avoid all of it really. It seems to happen every time I run, so don't want to jinx myself though. So anyway guys, hope you've been enjoying my channel. Hope you stick around for more videos. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.
Hit it, boys.